so hungry. I can eat this for days.
You're supposed to use a fork.
When you so. Why, you're not hungry?
She's always like that when I need.
Oh, come on! For crying out loud, I got grandmas that walk faster than you. Seriously? Really? What? Really? In America? Oh, come on!
What you doing, man?
I watched Terminator.
Team
Shot.
Yeah, this is a good movie, man.
What, you watched 30?
Huh?
You watched
Yeah, but no, I'll watch it with you. I'll watch it with you. I'm not
Just
gonna.
let me know so we can change it.
No, it's good. Let's watch it. I'm not gonna ruin it for you. Oh, watch this scene. Watch this scene. He's gonna hit the guy in his face. Yeah, he didn't know his mom. Yeah, they're about to free his mom from the jail. Watch this. Watch this. He's gonna roll through up to the He's gonna roll up to the security guard. I'll be back.
Can I watch the movie in peace?
Oh, my bad, man. My bad. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah. This scene's gonna be sick. Watch this, bro. Watch this. He's gonna pull up on you. He's gonna pull out the shotgun. Bang! Everybody's dead. It's a classic movie. I'm so glad you picked this movie to watch, bro. Hey, bro.
This is my song! Yo! Turn up, hey!
Sounds stupid.
She keep killing this, yo. I'm a jam.
What your name?
This is my jam, yo. Hey, being sober, you're anyone. Hey, being sober. Hey, being sober. Sober. Yeah, you sound good, dog. You sound good. I mean, I saw it sound. I mean, some new friends. Oh, yeah, big.
Do you have an issue in the bed, sir, that you can't last long? Well, there's a new solution to your problem. It's called 1030.
Nah, I'm good enough. I'm good enough in bed, you know, but thanks, here.
I forgot to mention about the mints. Take one and you will sleep all night. Have you ever heard about the mints? I know where your problem is. You're right here. You might want to extend that pleasure with your woman, don't you? I have the solution to your problem.
Not again. Not again. Not again.
Your pussy no have no broke down. What a body hot and the summer just done. If me get your body, me visa no turn down. Wind up your body, baby. The S-Class job already.